Hello, I just tried this. Um, you're testing this. I saw you did this. Like get a word from here, save it, then say pending, save this, and then when you refresh, it shows the words before and the words later. But why is this not working when I am really, because I'm not gonna look for this. Why is this failing when I'm doing the real thing? Really, I will use it for agency, but it doesn't matter where I use it. This should work. Let me show you. Okay, it's agencias. Why is showing me disponibilidad? Where do you see the banned word here? Is showing. I don't know what is. I don't even know what is that. Where is that? Ah, it's here. Why? I mean, it seems like I had to. It's working like that, but I told you that even if I put it with an S or without an S, and if I put it in capital, it should work. Okay, so right now it's working, showing that. But why when I put this, which is this, it's here without the S, it's showing me this, it's showing me like, showing me this. So I don't get it. Another thing, this should be working. When I click on this should be working. So I don't, like right now, I have the banner word and I cannot change it. Let me just put it specifically. Now, even if I click, it's not working. That is another thing, okay? Then the calls. Imagine I call this person today and I add the call. And then if I call the person tomorrow, I add the call. But like graphically, how do I see the calls that I've been doing? And if I call this person after tomorrow, I add the call. Like I guess it's been saved somewhere. But I guess if I don't know the database, I'm gonna get it. But it's not. It's not that. I mean, it's good that I have it in the database, but well, I don't even know where is that. Okay, I guess it's this. But I would like to have like a drop down menu where I can see all the calls that I've been doing. Another thing, update multi-property. This should be merged with this. I don't need this like that. I don't need that. I need that when I click on this one, which is the last one, that unique telephone. When I click this, the it should trigger whatever script is here, but it should as well trigger this because it seems like when I click on this, then the multi-property appears, but it wasn't multi-property. Is the same, is part of this. So I don't need to have like two things. This when I click here, the multi-property should be updated, and unique telephone should like just put everything, delete this part, and put the script of this, put it here. So when I click on export all the everything, the registries that I have on the telephone, the multi-property will appear in the database as well. Okay. Okay. Another thing, if I move to Captados, why is showing the record 0? If I move to Captados, I want to see the record 1 of Captados. If I move to non Captados, I want to see the record 1. I know that if I click on next, I'm gonna see the record 1. But imagine a normal person will just say what's going on. So wherever I move to this one, or to this one, I want to see the record 1 of this. Just like this one. This work good. Okay. The only yeah, that's the thing. Okay. Another thing. You gave me like one and two things today, just two things, and then on Monday you just gave me one thing. Like on Monday you just gave me one thing. I remember you told me, let me just look for this. You just updated the multi-property. My question is, did you work 7 hours on Monday? And did you work 7 hours today? That's my question, because like these are like few things to be done, like to be working 14 hours, because for Monday is 7 hours, and today, which is day 30 of March, it's another 7 hours. Or is that you're working on piso compartido? But if you're working on piso compartido, it's pretty done at this point. Just tell me, because maybe you work half of that time just today, and maybe you work half of this time on Monday, because for doing just one thing on Monday and doing one and two things today, I don't think it takes 7 hours today and 7 hours on Monday. Or tell me, I mean, maybe you were working on another thing, but I don't know. I don't see what you're working on, so let me know. Thank you.